What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Camarillo. I think my last visit for the day. I'm tired. I need to go home. But yeah, a lot of the outlets have been having all kinds of sales. That's why I've been hitting so many of them up. Man, this sale started last week, so hopefully you guys were able to go early. I'm late apparently, so I don't know. We'll see if we find some. We'll see. I know some of the outlets, man, they had 20% off all sneakers and stuff. I don't know if it was just early last week or if it's this weekend as well. I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, I think it was just early last week. I don't see any 20% off all sneaker signs. Man, maybe it's just certain outlets. I don't know. These are all grade school right here. All right, let's see what's going on with the heat wall right here. Okay. No sales though, man. No sales. So like it's cool, but it's not like exciting. But I do try to pass along all the info. So yeah, I got the ones right here. They got the Brotherhoods, aka Lakers. If you get a faded purple something like a shirt or something, or the old G colors maybe. Citrus. Got the I forgot what the name of the collab is. I don't know. So size 10.5 on these, 225 for these twos. Oreo 6s. Surprised to see these. That's a men's 8 too. Okay. Do got these bad boys right here, the 5s. More Oreos. We got some ones. Oh, these are golf. I was like, what? 140. Some stealth ones right here. These are 9.5. 6s. Got these. This is a size 13. Then the Desert Elephant. Haven't seen these too often lately. Size 9. And then these 6s. 20% off. The back wall right here. It is dope. Being able to get stuff for 20% off. Hopefully they throw some retros in there. I don't know. Dude got the Big Bang right here. I think they had these last week. That's pretty decent. 230. You do get 20 off. So under 200 bucks for that. Size 7. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I've seen these. I haven't seen these anywhere. Nike Air Zoom Victories. It's like the Vaporfly Next Percent of sprinting cleats or spikes. And it does have the Zoom Air. It does have the Atom knits. I haven't seen these anywhere. Size 7. This is going for $180. I think that's a full retail. It does come with spikes. It does come with what is this thing? The spike turner or whatever. The wrench for the spikes. Then also comes with the dust bag too. That's pretty dope. Dude got some Air Max Griffies. Look at this. 109. 20% off on top of that. Wow. Seeing a bunch of dope stuff. 110 for those as well. I prefer this one. 7.5. What these go for? $90 for the center cords right here. Alpha Fly Next Percent's going for $219. Okay. Got these in a size 8. These in a size 8 as well for $130. 2090s go for $130 as well. Dang, would you rather have that or that? They're both the same price. What the hell? But whatever works for y'all, dude. 8.5, $130 for these Air Max 97s. Ton of those. Size 9. Dude got LeBrons. They go for $2 with them. Air Max 95s. Going for 110. Okay, this is a N7 colorway. The Terra Escapes going for retail 185. Air Max 95, got plenty of those here. Air Max 2017s go for 165. Kyrie's go for way too much, 140. Size 10s. Oh, we're 9.5. There's some 10s here though. But I got the LeBron John Elliott's. How long have these been here? These have been here for like, I believe it's the same pairs that have been here for like 8 months, maybe even longer. Dude got these cleats. Vapor Speed 380s. Look like the Air Max 95 design on it. That's kind of dope. For football. What's that? 85 for those. Air Max 95 N7s go for 170. Air Max Dons. The hell that is. Go for 90. Remember, you did get 20% off the back wall today or this weekend. Hopefully during the week too. This is probably gonna come out during the week. Follow my Instagram. If there's anything really dope, I do throw it on my Instagram. Air Max Auras go for 115. 130 for these again. Tempo Next Percent go for $90. That's a 10.5. Westbrooks right here. 0.5s go for 99, 97. Okay, under 100 bucks. $170 for those LeBrons right there. Size 10 now. Lows, LeBron lows go for $130. Ooh, these Air Max 90s look fire, but they are $160. I don't know why, but I love that white. I don't know why, but I love that white, the gray, and that like university blue, like the light colors. I just love that mix. Like my Kobe's, the MPLS Kobe's, $160 for those. That's a little much, even with that 20% off. More LeBrons, $170. These are 11s now. Ton of them, $170. We've seen them cheaper though, right? 11 and a half. Dude, got the experimentals right here. That glow in the dark material. It's pretty much a Halloween version of the Air Force One. We got some Jordans. Oh, stay loyal. Those look funny. Air Force or Air Max 1 premiums. Got these in a size 12. Seen those plenty of times. Air Max 270s going for $160. Infinity Refinance $130. Size 13s. LeBron's going for $150. Gone down what, $20? Lakers color right there. Kyrie Infinity's gone down a little bit. 8 Alpha Fly Next Percent's $130. Okay. $180 for these. Size 14s. Got some Jordans right here. Are these the lows or are these the mids? Oh, these are the lows, right? $145 for these. More of these go for $130. Size 15, just performance of $130. Oh damn, $70 for the Tempo Next Percent, especially with that 20 off. That's actually a steal. Air Max 90s for the size 15, $110 for these. And then Air Max 1 premiums are, these are premium, but dude, the suede looks really good. Feels really good. I'm not a fan of that colorway though. But $30 for those. That's about it, man. Let's go check out the aisles. Jordan section. Should I even? No, man. We're gonna skip all this, man. Man. 200 Air 200Es. Delta 2s. Okay, these are going down in price. Regular for that one. Air Cadence. I've never even heard of this. What the hell? Okay. Take ones, Zions, more of these, man. Zoom Freak 3s. Okay, so we saw this for $50 at the clearance store, so a little bit cheaper. You do get full box with this. They got a bunch of Zoom Freak 3s right here. Oh no, I'm sorry. These are the Westbrook 0.5s. Those are $100. Giannis Immortalities, Flyknits, or Flytrap 5s, 4s, bunch of these 4s, gum bottom on those, and then black and white for these. Oh wait, we got more. Dang, is that what, 6 different colorways? Tray 5 8s. Oh my goodness, $40, 20% off on top of that. Man, size 9.5, then all the way up to 15. There's 10s and 8s up there. Tray 5 9s. That's why those are on sale. LeBron 5s, that's a pretty good price. Then Witness 5. Another one of these Witnesses right here. That's what I'm talking about. $100, full box, everything. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Got 2 colors. This one's awful. This colorway's awful. That colorway's dope, man. Plenty of sizes up to size 14. Those, ooh, that's interesting. Only bigger size on those. 11. They have 8s, 8.5, 11.5, and then up to size 13. For that one, they got plenty of sizes for that one. Soldiers, you got the lows right here. Another Soldier. The original colorway, these, man, I swear these been out the outlets forever. More Witness 5s. Damn, they got so many they couldn't even fit it all in one area. Got 3 more colorways. The penultimate colorway right here. This is the last one. What is this? One Antas? What the heck? Benassis. I've been telling y'all about these. Oh, those were the same 2 colorways. They had 2 displays. Okay. Benassis. The alley-oops. These are the SBs right here. Killshot 2 leathers. Seen these forever at the outlets. Is it me or these aisles taking forever? Holy crap. Tailwinds. Cheapest. We've seen that colorway, I believe. Free Run 2s. These seem pretty comfortable. Price really low. The Hirachis right here. The mids. That's a Quick Strike Air Force One. Air Force One High. Blazer. What's this? The Be True colorway. Air Flight 89s. I'm getting tired of seeing these at the outlets. Go Flyes, another one of those. Creator Impacts. Price is going down on these, which is dope. ISPA, the flows. This look weird. Like, look at that midsole. Look at how narrow that is. That's kind of weird. Okay. Normally 2 bills or 185. Okay, normally 2 bills. Wow. Air Max Pre-Days, got a couple of those. Genomes, these have been staples at the outlets for a while now. Air Max Terra Escape Plus, that's translucent plastics. Vapor Max Plus going down in price. Air Max 2017, another one of those. Got 2 more. Then the extra bright one right here. That red looks so different than in my camera. That's weird. It's like a deeper red. 270, got a few of those. So many colorways. Dang, man. Fools really were paying that much for these? That's crazy. Dude got some Air Max 95s right here, pretty good price. Also, some of these. Few more Air Maxes, Air Max 97. Regular price, that's way too expensive. I just laugh every time I see these because mine were cheaper. 2021s, 2090s. Another one of those. And then, yeah, that's about it. I did forget to check out the heat wall for the kiddos right here. I guess this is one way you could save. That's one way you could save 50% off of the retros. I know a lot of the resales do that. Dude got some infrared 3s. This is like extra tumbled. I don't know why this is like, it's like tumbled way more than regular. Okay. Got these right here. These are dope, dude. I really like the camo on these. There's a canvas dunk. Pretty fire. Got ones, weather hoods, electric green 6s. Haven't seen these in forever. I don't know how that's. Oh no, that's here. I don't know how that's here. Did I even talk in English? I don't know what. Yeah, I got a couple of those. Then got the Chanel's. That's what those are called, right? All right, I need to go home. I'm tired as hell, man. All right, let's wrap it up, dude. All right, let's at least check out the women's house. I didn't really see much in the clearance. They do get 20% off the clearance. And then we should see a lot of 20% off in the women's aisles. Pretty much all of them, because I think the email said 20% off all women's sneakers. All right, 2017s. Another one of those. Yeah, check your emails too. Nike usually does. Lately, they've been giving out updates on what the sales are, so kind of worth it. Air Max 2090s. Another one of those. That's a twist version. Another 2090. Yeah, everything's 20% off. It looks like in the women's. Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Ooh. Biggest size of 8.5 on these, so no men's sizes, I'd be fire. 29, 270s, 97s. Another one of these. Seen these here forever on sale. That's kind of a weird color. Air Force One sculpts. The ones with the pearl on it. Okay. Some pixels right here. NOLA slides. Another one of those. Oh dang, these are getting cheap now. Okay. Another Air Force One sculpt right here. Dunk highs. Creator impacts. Leather quartet. Those WNBA shirts. Never really seen those at the outlets. They trying to get full price too. Damn. All right, got some Jordan jackets right here. Poofy jackets. 185 down to 130. Okay, that's really bad. Got the Jumpman logo tees. These go for 35 down to 25, and you get 30% off. I think these are 30% off as well. I do have the matching hoodie for this one. I got that for what, $12? 45, 30 off. Apparel only $30, or I'm sorry, 30% off, 70. We saw these for, I think we saw these for like 35 or what? I don't know. We saw this for cheaper today. I forgot where we saw it for cheaper. Clearance apparel, you do get 20% off, but finds have been pretty mediocre. Ooh, this is not bad. Look at this. 55. It is a hoodie. It's a super light hoodie. But 55 down to 20, and you get 20% off. So was that $16? You get an authentic tear right there. This is an aged look, so maybe that's on purpose. I don't know. I've never been into that. Still got a couple of these. These are freaking fire. 100 down to, well, 140 down to 100, and then you get 20 off. Who's the number one? Is that Tebow's number? I don't know. Chargers jerseys, the Herbert jerseys down to 100. These are normally 160, so down to $80. That's not bad. Problem is these are smalls. I don't see any bigger sizes for the Chargers jersey. What a shame. What a shame. This is weird. Does have a hamburger on it. That's a medium, go for 65. Hawaii shirts go for 30 bucks. Okay. All right, I'm gonna be honest, I'm tired as hell. All right, we're out. I'm done.